easy, simple, juicy, baked salmon. This right here takes no effort but comes smacking with tons of flavor. And guess what? Your boy is about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste any time and get right on into it. Let's get started. So you're gonna begin with a skinless salmon fillet. You can use skin on if you prefer. I'm just dropping a little bit of oil on this bad boy right here and rubbing it all in on both sides. Once that's taken care of, we have to season this up proper, okay? So shortly, you'll see it pop on the screen, the exact measurements of everything that I'm using to season up this salmon right here, and they will be listed down in the description box as well. So go ahead and give that a mix and season that salmon up like your life depends on it, okay? You want to be very generous, heavy-handed. Do not be stingy, all right? So at this point, you want to have your oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you're done seasoning up your salmon on both sides, you want to transfer it onto a baking dish like I'm doing here. And you're going to toss this in at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. It kind of varies depending on how thick your salmon is. And for about 2 minutes towards the end, I'm gonna turn it on broil on high just so that top can get nice and beautiful. In the meanwhile, I'm just gonna get a quick garlic butter to pour on top of this salmon. I melted some unsalted butter in this pan here. I'm dropping in a little bit of garlic paste as well as some parsley. I'm using dry parsley. If you have fresh on hand, go ahead and toss it in. Very simple, very easy. All right, so at this point, this is done out the way. Our salmon is ready to go, so I'm gonna pop that right out of the oven, and this is how you should be looking. Go ahead and grab that garlic butter and go ahead and just baste it right on top of this here, and look at what we have going on. This is pure perfection, pure beauty, and just simply amazing. I'm trying to let you know, I'm trying to put you on. And guess what? This little dinner right here, man, took no time at all. No effort at all. You know what I'm saying? This is something quick, easy, and like I said, smacking with flavor. And I cannot wait for you to try this one. You're going to love it. Also, if you have some lemon on hand, go ahead and squeeze some lemon juice on top as well. Come on now. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Don't forget to give the video a like, of course, and I will see you all on the next one. Deuces.